Stock number 40637G. It's a 2015 Chevy Traverse. It does have a key, it does not start. You see right here, the front fender's no good. Front bumper's no good. Headlights are no good. Broken right there. This front fender's got surface scratches. The hood is dented. Front door's got some dings, some surface scratches, some more scratches on the quarter panel. Back here, rear bumper's good. Got a little ding right here on the corner panel, right here on the back door. Front door's got a surface scratch right there. Front fender's no good. Steering wheel airbags deployed. The passenger dash airbags deployed. All the seat belts are locked. It does have a key. It does not start. It does have a key. It does not start. The dash, everything lights up, but it doesn't turn over. It does have third row seating. It does not have a sunroof. It has a DVD player in the roof. There's your third row seating. You can see the DVD player right here. Again, this is stock number 40637G. It's 2015 Chevy Traverse. It does have a key, it does not start.